Let's unbox the laser machine, Creality Falcon 2 Pro. The laser machine comes with many accessories. Now let's start assembling the Creality laser machine. The process is quite simple. First, we install the support bars. The support bars can be spaced wider or narrower, depending on your needs. This makes it easy to place small objects. The machine comes with two laser modules. One is 40 watts and the other is 1.6 watts. We will compare them later. First, let's install the 40-watt laser module. Attach the air pipe and plug to the laser module. Assemble the top camera and frame of the laser machine. Combine the upper and lower parts of the laser machine. Connect the LED lights and fan plugs. After installing the exhaust pipe, we can directly vent the exhaust outside the window. We can also filter the exhaust through a smoke purifier, making it more convenient to use. The Creality laser machine is very easy to install, and this is what it looks like when installed. The laser machine adopts a fully enclosed roller shutter design, which not only facilitates the placement of items, but also protects the eyes from laser damage and ensures tightness. The smoke generated by laser cutting can be extracted by the laser machine's fan and filtered through the smoke purifier. Let's test the smoke extraction effect. We can see the smoke is easily extracted, protecting the work environment and ensuring our health. This is an independent lighting switch, which can be set to automatically turn on the LED backlight during cutting or stay on constantly. Starting with the main power switch button. The laser machine has multiple safety features. The second is the laser machine needs a key to start. The third is the emergency stop button. The fourth is the automatic stop function when the cover is open. If you open the top cover, the laser machine will stop working and sound an alarm. This is the machine's built-in camera, which helps with pattern positioning and design. Very convenient. This laser machine can engrave various materials. We will first use metal to test the accuracy of the camera positioning. First, click the Update button to get the latest camera snapshot. Adjust the pattern position and size. It's easy to preview the real-time effect. Through the test, the designed pattern and the finished engraving are almost identical in position. Next, we test if the size of the engraved product matches the design size. we find that the size of the finished product is almost the same as the design size. Next, let's compare the engraving effects of the 40 watts and 1.6 watt laser modules. First, we use the 40 watt laser module for engraving. Next, we switch to the 1.6 laser module for another engraving test. The laser module is easy to replace. Just swap the new laser module and plug in the data cable. Copy a pattern and use the 1.6 watt laser module to engrave. Through comparison, we find that the 1.6 watt laser module has a smaller spot and produces finer engravings. Next, we use the laser machine to create a wall clock. The drawer base makes it easy to remove the cut parts. The camera positioning function of the Creality laser machine greatly improves work efficiency. Use the camera positioning function to position the design pattern on the wood board. Directly pull out the laser machine base, making it very convenient to clean waste and maintain cleanliness, improving work efficiency. Apply different colors of paint to each layer of wood, ensuring a gradient from light to dark. Use wood glue to bond each layer of wood together. sand off the black edges from the laser beam. Finally, install the clock mechanism to complete our work.